Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review of some amazing pieces I found on Temu. If you do not know about Temu, Temu is the #1 shopping app where you can get literally anything under the sun, like clothing, home items, toys, you name it, they got it. So if you're in the search for Christmas decors, cozy Christmas outfits, or Christmas gifts, definitely check out Temu. I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the description box. You can use that link to download the app and get $100 coupon for new users. Also use my code FAV, that's FAV 22250 for an extra 30% off for new users. Everything will be linked in the description box. I'm also leave the code on the screen right here. You can go ahead and check them out. Temu is the absolute best. They offer $5 late delivery fee. So if you order your items and they arrive later than the expected date, you'll get a $5 credit added to your account. They also offer free shipping, free returns for up to 90 days. They also offer money back. So if an item's price drop, if you go on the website and you realize that the item is lower than the price that you paid for it, you can apply for a price drop and get some money. Definitely go ahead and check Temu out. Now I'm going to show you guys all the Christmas items that I got and show you guys how I incorporate them in my space. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the details. I'm gonna leave the link to all the items that I included in today's video. They'll all be linked in the description box. You can go ahead and check those out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I think this might be for the toilet. I got this sticker piece to go on the toilet. So that's where you put it. You put it right there on the toilet because I want a little Christmas festivity in the toilet also. So why not? And so it's just peel and stick. It's cute. So the next item, these are, that's what it is. Oh, these are candlesticks. So it comes separated, so I can put them together. And it's a nice quality, and I like the matte black. They are available in 3 different colors. Now, I mean, the black can be used all year round, so I have it. And they come in 3 different sizes. Really great quality. Love the material, and it is metal, and it seems like it's really easy to clean. So it is really gorgeous. Now this is my favorite. It's a climbing Santa on the ladder. The main attraction. It has to be my favorite one. The detail of the Santa. Isn't it beautiful? It's just so gorgeous. Santa climbing up the ladder. And the little backpack. Like, look at the details. Absolutely beautiful. This one is my favorite. I don't know if you guys can tell. This one is one of the ones I was most excited about. Automated, so it can climb up and it can climb down. It uses 2 AA batteries. That's not included. You put it in the back where the shirt is, so the batteries go right here and it fixes, and then the switch is right there. Excited for this because 2 little reindeers. They're so cute. One is sitting down and they're gold. I love them. They're adorable. This one stands there. I love the 3D shape and design of them. Gorgeous pieces, and they were really affordable. They were adorable. I love it. I love them. They are so cute. These are my favorite. And then the candlestick, but of course the Santa. I love them all. If this is your first video seeing from me, then you don't know, but let me tell you now, I am absolutely obsessed with Temu, and for good reasons. You the same items on Temu as on other sites for a fraction of the cost. Like, there is no second guessing that. Like, why aren't you shopping on Temu yet? Like, why? Go ahead and click the link in my description box and check the items out. Okay, lovies, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to check the description box out. You see something that you like, everything will be linked in the description box. Don't forget to download the Temu app with my affiliate link in the description box. Also, and let me know in the comments which item was your favorite. I absolutely love them all. I am obsessed, and they look so amazing in the space. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys. Happy holidays, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.